Hello, my friends. How are you today? Welcome back. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and I am going to be doing some coasters on hexagon tiles. I have taped them up. And let's look at our colors. Now, I haven't done this before, so this will be a first. Let's look at the colors. We got Pebeo Gold. Now, this is a mixture. This is a mixture custom color. I used Pebeo or Oriental Violet and Carmine Red. Next, we have Pebeo Violet Blue. It's just pink, right? But it says Violet Blue. Okay. And then we have Pebeo Blue Black. That's a pretty color. And then I have Liquitex Silver with just a dot of black, just to make it a little bit darker. So let's get started.
Are you opening that? That one's a big one.
Okay. Now here is our tile, but I don't want it to fly off, so I'm just going to put a little bit paint right there in the back to make it stick. Hopefully it will stick and won't fly off. I don't think it will. So let's put on some pillow paint. I am using PPG Multi Pro. Now this is really small. These are like 4x4s. And I don't know how much pillow paint to use, really.
Just use a tiny paint.
All right. Let's just spread it out a little. Now today, I don't know. I think today I'm going to just use a regular straw to blow it out. Let's get started with our colors. We're going to start with the Pebeo Gold. I don't need a whole lot. And then our Oriental Violet and Carmine Red. Now after this first one, I'm going to make 3 more. After this one, I'll just stop talking and let the music play, since you've already seen the colors. And next, Pebeo Violet Blue. Pebeo Blue Black. And we have Liquitex Silver. I'm just going to use a tiny bit of this. Okay, now for the, let me get I got to pop some bubbles. My torch.
Papa's right there. Papa?
Yes, it does. It's already moving on me. I'm not sure why. Don't want it to move. Not yet. Ooh, that did good.
That looks like fire.
Yeah, you can't play with that, right?
Yeah, because it will hurt us.
Okay, we're going to use
Is it actually fire?
titanium white. This cell activator and the black is with Australian Floetrol. Just a drop. Did I open it? I didn't.
That is some pretty colors.
And next is oxide black. Pop that bubble. Okay, now I'm going to be using just a regular straw. How's that? Let's see. This is the bloom technique.
Knew it.
Got my grandson
Can I
here.
make one?
Oh, after me.
I was going after you.
Yeah, Lyra's after me. I'm going to make these first. All right. Let's spread out the paint a little bit. I hope that's enough color. Like I said, it's my first time doing this. And I need to scoot it over a little bit. Okay, shall I do some doodling?
Yeah.
Okay,
So.
let me spin. Colors are pretty.
The paint's not spreading. That's good. That doesn't really look like a blue.
Because I did the doodling. Oops, starting to slide.
Imagine it went on your shirt. Oh, remember the time when his paint board came off?
So, do we like that? Do I need to spin it more?
Spin it more.
Just a little bit, like me. Okay. Oops, the whole thing spins around.
Go.
I like this in here.
It started to slide
And
off.
it's sliding.
Sliding.
Okay, I like that. What do you think?
I love it. I'll do the next one. After why Yes, Mikey.
Got some bubbles here.
Why did you put tape on the back?
We will resin these after. I don't like this white dot here, so let me see.
What does resin mean?
Let me just take this and there we go. These without talking, I'll do all the others for you.
Okay. Ooh. Mommy, after a while, can I do it? Can you place it?